Come back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert partial derivative symbol in Word document. For this, you need to click on the insert right side on the click on symbol, click on more symbols, and in the font you need to select the normal text, and in the subject you need to select the mathematical operator, and in the character code you need to type 2202. Then your cursor will automatically move to the derivative symbol. Just you need to select it, make it insert and close it, and here you can see that. Go to the home and make it bigger. Another way is that you need to type 2202 and press the Alt X together. The number will instantly convert into the partial derivative symbol. Another way is that if you have a dedicated numeric keypad, again you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 8706 and release the Alt key. It will instantly insert the partial derivative symbol. Another way is that you need to click on the insert and click on the equation. An equation editor box will be open up. Put the backslash and type partial and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the derivative symbol. If you use the partial derivative symbol quite often, then copy it and go to the file, click on the option and click on the proofing, go to the autocorrect options, and here in the replace box you need to type \pd, and in the width box you need to paste the symbol, click add, click OK and click OK. And now whenever you type \pd and hit the space bar, it will instantly convert to the partial derivative symbol. So with these 5 methods you can able to insert partial derivative symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.